ever wanted to know what stress can do to your heart? Maybe that was a bit dramatic. Your heart won't actually explode, but stress can definitely cause heart damage if it's ignored. What's up, y'all? I'm Dr. Havoc, a board-certified cardiologist, and I love to bring you heart-healthy information. Most of my patients like to worry about blood pressure and cholesterol, which is good, but stress is a modifiable risk factor that we tend to not think about because we don't realize that it can actually cause significant heart damage. Current evidence demonstrates a clear and significant relationship between stress and heart disease. Both acute and chronic psychological stress is an independent risk factor for developing cardiovascular disease. There are even some studies that show that people who report a high level of psychological stress have a 20 to 40% higher chance of either having heart disease or dying from heart disease. In fact, the American Heart Association states that psychological stress can activate our sympathetic nervous system and certain hormones, which leads to increased adrenaline, increased dysfunction of our arteries and veins, increased inflammation, and also can increase our body's ability to clot blood. These processes can increase the buildup of plaque in our arteries and also can increase our heart's need for oxygen. Both of these can promote arrhythmias, heart attacks, and even stress cardiomyopathy, which essentially is just heart failure. I had a patient who was approximately 50 years old who had no significant risk factors, but she was dealing with the death of her son, which had recently occurred. She presented to the emergency room with chest pain, and that's how she ended up seeing me. Stress doesn't show up on routine lab work, so people underestimate it, but it's so important. I would like to leave you with a reminder to practice daily stress reset practices, such as deep breathing techniques, mindfulness, exercising. We don't always have to be on the go, 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 go. Sometimes just relax, take a seat, reset. Cholesterol, we can measure. Blood pressure, we can take. Stress, we have to respect that. Protect your heart, not just from what's in your blood, but what's also in your mind. So the next time stress tries to creep up into your life, what we're gonna do? Pop the balloon. Now, subscribe to my channel for more heart-healthy information.